Turning wooden bowls is one of my most enjoyable woodworking pastimes, and Rockler sells a wide variety of ready-to-turn blanks in a huge spectrum of species, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. Now, if you purchase a blank that's covered with wax, like this one here, chances are it's green or unseasoned wood, which is great because that'll mean it turns like butter. And it's important to keep the wax on the blank to avoid cracking. In fact, it's best practices to use a wax blank reasonably quickly. So why am I scraping all the wax off this block? Well, we're going to do a little experiment. I'm going to remove all the rest of the wax, and we're going to put this block into a bucket of desiccant to dry it quickly. It's kind of the same thing as if you were to scrape the wax off and put it on your shelf for a few weeks. So there it is. I've scraped almost all of the wax off of this thing. Now it's just raw wood. I'm going to stick it into the desiccant. Wrapped it up, sealed it in, and we'll check back on it in a couple of days. We're back. It's been a couple of days. Our block has been in the desiccant, scraped free of wax. So let's see if any cracks have formed. As the desiccant absorbs water, it turns from blue to pink. Oh yeah, as you can see, when the water left the fibers, these cells collapsed and that caused shrinkage, and now we've got cracks in the wood. So our experiment was, I guess, successful because we got some cracks, and that's exactly duplicating what would happen if you scrape the wax off and set it on a shelf in your shop for a couple of weeks or a few months, which is why you should leave the wax on and turn your green blanks reasonably soon. I hope this has been helpful and informative to you. I'm Rob Johnstone. Thanks for watching.